Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Infinix Note 12, and this Infinix Note 12 is powered by MediaTek Helio G96 processor. Also we have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and that phone is costing around 35,000 PKR, while the Infinix Note 12, which is powered by MediaTek Helio G88, that phone is costing around 31,000 PKR, and this phone also available in the 8GB of RAM with a 256GB of internal storage, which is around 40,000 PKR price. So here is the box of the Infinix Note 12, and the main highlight of this phone is its processor. So now let's quickly unbox this phone. Also, and the color I have is the forest black color. This phone also manufactured in Pakistan, so that's really good thing. On the back we have some more specification about the phone. Again, we have MediaTek Helio G96. Also we have 5000 mAh battery size, Android 12 versus Android 11 on this phone. Also we have 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate, no high refresh rate display. Also we have 50 megapixel main camera. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera. Also we have 33 watt fast charging on this phone. Now first let me remove the plastic like this. And this phone also available in the white color as well as in the blue color as well, but this is the black color of the Infinix Note 12, and the box is very similar to the Infinix Note 12 MediaTek Helio G88. So now let's open this box. So on the top we are getting our device Infinix Note 12 in the forest black colors. On the top we have our device Infinix Note 12. Now let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see here is the Infinix Note 12 looks like in the forest black color, and here is the side-by-side comparison with the Infinix Note 12 Helio G88, and you can see and the camera layout is much different as compared to the Note 12 with the G88. Also you can see on this side we have a glossy finish, while on the bottom we have a matte finish, although we have little lines, and you can see. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see what else we get and other than the phone. And the first thing, we get this section. Inside this section we have a soft silicone case first, X-Spark, win-free phones, 1-year warranty card, and here is our suggestion tool. Also we have cable, which is a USB Type-C to USB-A cable. Also we have charger, and guys, and this is a 10 volt with a 3.3 ampere, and guys, and this is a 33 watt fast charger. So that's really good thing, we are getting a fast charging with this phone. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Infinix Note 12. Guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, headphone jack. On the left hand side we have SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone, and you can see you can use one microSD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. Also inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber. On the top we have nothing. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner of this phone. On the back we have triple cameras. We have 50 megapixel main camera with a 2 megapixel depth sensor and an AI lens on this phone, and the camera setup of this phone, it is exactly the same as the Infinix Note 12 with the MediaTek Helio G88. So no difference is that area, only difference is that and the camera layout has changed, and you can see design language of this phone is really beautiful. On the front we have 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate with same U-shaped notch, no punch hole on this phone. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Infinix Note 12. This phone is running on Android 12, so that's really good thing, with XOS version 10.6 with new wallpaper. So here is the home screen looks like on this phone. Here is the notification area looks like. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's see the Android version on this phone, Android 12 right out of the box. So that's really good thing, which is not really available on this phone Note 12 with the Helio G88. MediaTek Helio G96, which is a really powerful processor in this price range, one of the best in this price range, no doubt about that. We have 128GB of internal storage out of about 16.79GB it is already used on this phone. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner. Here is the fingerprint scanner looks like on this phone. The fingerprint scanner is really fast, which is same as the Infinix Note 12 with the Helio G88. and you can see same speed. Also I feel that the haptics it is more better on the Note 12 with the Helio G96, so that's really good thing. Again we have AMOLED display which is really good on this phone, really bright, no issue whatsoever, but no 90 Hz refresh rate or a 120 Hz. So now let's look at the camera. This phone has triple cameras on the back. Main we have 50 megapixel main camera. We also have 50 megapixel mode, video mode. Back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps. We also have a bokeh effect. We also have a video beauty feature. No ultra steady mode like on the Note 12 with the Helio G88. Let me show you. And you can see we have ultra steady mode which is not really available on the Note 12 with the G96. We also have a short video mode, beauty mode, portrait mode, super night mode. With the back camera we also have a slow motion. As you can see, with the back camera we also have pro mode, we also have panorama, we also have time lapse. All those things it is available on this phone. Now let's look at the front camera. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera. Now let's see that we have any different in the front facing camera. And the front camera I feel it is more better. Yes, it is more better on the Note 12 with the G88. Camera is a little bit more overexposed on the Note 12 with the G96. So let's see video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera also shoot 1440p, no 4K on this phone. The front we also have a bokeh video mode. The front we also have short video mode, beauty mode, portrait mode, super night mode also available with the front camera. And guys, now let's talk about the battery size of this Infinix Note 12 G96, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with the 33W fast charging. And the main highlight of this phone is its processor, and the MediaTek Helio G96 is a ultra gaming processor, one of the best chipset in this price range. So if you're looking for a gaming phone in this price range, yes, the Infinix Note 12 with the G96 is the best option for you. Also we have AMOLED display, not really available on other smartphones in this price range. Yes, with 60 Hz, while other smartphones is give you IPS LCD display with 120 Hz refresh rate or a 90 Hz. But AMOLED display is a really unique feature on this phone. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Note 12 with the G96. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.